Hi, I'm Denver, and I work at Mott Children's Hospital, and I help the kids at the hospital feel better. Today, I wanted to talk about an important topic, medicine. I've been learning about medicine, like why I take it, and when I need to take it. But I know that there is still more I need to learn. Let's take a look at how we can work together so we can be safe around medicine. Do you know where your grown-ups keep your medicine in your house?
My mom keeps my medicine in the kitchen and other medicines in a locked box.
No matter where medicine is kept in your house, it's important for your grown-ups to keep them up and out of your reach so you don't accidentally take it when it's not time. If you see medicine where it's not supposed to be, remind your grown-ups to put it away somewhere safe. Sometimes even grandparents need this reminder.
My mom and dad keep medicine up and away because only grown-ups I trust can give it to me.
Oh, right. I should never take medicine that's left on the counter without my grown-up there, giving it to me and watching me take it. You know what else they say? Sometimes medicine is dangerous because it looks a lot like candy. Look at these pictures. Can you tell me which one is medicine? This one is tough. This one is really tough. It's a vitamin that looks like a gummy bear. I can't tell the difference. Even though vitamins are good for you, taking too many can cause problems, like a tummy ache. That's why I wait for my grown-up to give me one. How does your grown-up give you medicine?
When my mom gives me medicine, she checks the bottle for instructions and the time I have to take it. Then she uses the little cup the medicine comes with to measure how much I need to take. After I take the medicine, my mom puts it back in a safe spot, up and away.
My medicine looks tasty, but it's important to only take it when my grown-up gives it to me, so that I only take it when I need it.
I was all done taking my medicine, but still had some left over. My mom and I took it to the hospital because they have special trash cans that are only for medicine. My mom said we can take it to other places where police officers and other trusted grown-ups can throw it away for us.
I was all done taking my medicine, but do you want to know what my grown-up did with the medicine that was left over? She mixed it with kitty litter. Yuck!
Yuck!
My grown-up said that when there's leftover medicine, we need to throw it away. But we can't throw it away like we do with other trash. We need to mix it with something yucky, like kitty litter or used coffee grounds. That way, nobody can find the medicine and take it by accident. I have a question for you. What if my friend who was sick needs medicine? Can I just give it to them?
No! Only your friend's doctor or grown-up can give them medicine. You should never share your medicine with somebody else.
That was helpful. I thought I already knew so much about medicine, but you guys taught me even more. I now know that my grown-ups should keep my medicine in a safe place, so that only they can give it to me when it's the right time. I also learned why it's important to safely throw away medicine after I'm done with it, like taking it back to the hospital and using the special trash can for medicine, or mixing it with something yucky like kitty litter. Check out my other videos about what pain is and ways to help when we feel pain.